meditate. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on the G's.
The crazy thing about this is that I still don't have a hair dryer.
I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. I felt like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatics. Ran it up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VV's with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. Red bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash fetish. I've been studying these hunters, I'm a mathematic.
I need to fix this ear tab. The ear tabs are always like my worst nightmare. So that's why I prefer to use the other glue instead of the glamour spray. I've been using this bold hold glue from Shein for a while now. It's really good, but I won't lie, it gives me like a rash. It irritates my skin, so I find it best if I just use it like on the ear tabs instead of like everywhere else.
Bare t-shirt, sleeve vanilla. Hot top, turn a vert, riding anywhere. Ain't got a band down, this ain't a propeller. Man, we spend a dime, copping Gucci sweaters. There's dripping niggas drowning like an eye.
I forgot to show you guys. I wanted to show you guys the slides. I am lazy to like set up my big recording lights, my big filming light. So I got this from Shein. It is too good. Look at that. It is too good. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a latex. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool right. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a latex. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool right. Cool, I'm a space cadet. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Thandiwe Angela and I make fashion and lifestyle related content. So I'm back with another vlog. I haven't done this in a minute, but in this vlog let me just say today we're gonna go watch Inside Out with my niece and her friends, and then tomorrow I have like a little sip and paint thing as well. So there's that. But right now I'm dressed, we're ready to go. I'll show you guys a fit check. I don't know if I'll do that now or later, but yes. Why do I only address like the people who don't know me? For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning back in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you give it a big fat juicy thumbs up and you subscribe. So start with the hair. The hair's from Shein, the top is from Shein, the tracksuits are also from Shein, and then I'm just wearing these Nike shoes. And then I have my little silver bag, also from Shein. So the rest of my niece's friends are already at the mall, and I want to take a quick stop first to go take some content, so I don't want to make her late. I'm also just gate crashing the whole thing. I also just wanted to show you guys my little face beads. Don't mind the lifting ear tabs. Yo, the windows are paying actor, but we just took the content. Now it's time to go. Yeah, my hair's flying every which way, but let's go.
Come inside by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. 500 for your fucking hair, 200 for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. So bring your ass up on them stairs. I buy you shit because you wear it. Impressed because you know I care. But you know you love it here. That's why you keep on coming there. Your nigga can't compete, I swear. He tried but never lived to it.
For the movie's done. Now they want to go to Wimpy. Smoothie. So Wimpy's done, but Mr. Price again. I'm the intruder, so I'm just gonna follow their lead.
You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair.
Finding the car in the parking lot is always a mission. But it's time to go home. I have severe life-threatening period cramps, so I need to get home, get comfortable. But the movie was good. How was the movie?
It was great.
How was your time?
It was very great.
Great stuff. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yes, you can put it. Yeah, it's that one. Hey guys, so it's a new day. I'm getting ready to go to my Sip and Paint event. It's 2 o'clock right now. This boy's using the iPad. It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. I need to leave by 3 because I need to meet up with somebody to go take some pictures first before we head to the thing. So now I am just about to do my makeup. So that's he. Yeah?
The color.
To add. Yes.
The color.
Yes, I'll put it for you. Bubu kwevenjani namapap mi na makhala akho nangu-ready. I'm using the same beauty blender for everything, so please kupale skangijaja.
But I don't wanna miss you, baby, so I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me.
I'm really not sure about my outfit, so I might have to change the whole thing. Turn us watch out. I might have to change the whole thing. but I have about 30 minutes left, so we'll see. This is almost finished, but this is the Lash Princess from Maybelline, from Essence. I love it, but it's finished now. It's on its like last leg. And just do this off camera so I don't not put these up. So this is a little face bead, cute. Now I need to finish getting dressed, figure out what exactly I'm wearing, and dip. I think the outfit has come together. I think the outfit has come together. I was a little like unsure about wearing this jacket because it's a little wrinkled. I only got it yesterday. So you're my bed. I got it yesterday. And it's a little wrinkled, but it'll do. I'm gonna wear my little chocolate Steve Madden. I'll show you guys the full outfits just now, but I'm actually super excited because there's a new girl that I'm meeting, and it's very difficult for me to like make friends and stuff. So I reached out to her on Instagram and I was like, you know what, I'll do better in life and I'll like start actually making an effort to like make friends. So I'm super excited to like meet her. But let me show you guys the full outfits. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but yeah, this is a whole mixture of different jewelries. I think some are from Lovisa, some are from Shein. But let me show you guys. There's too much happening here. There's a whole pile of clothes at the back. So don't mind that, just look at the outfits. So the jacket is from Shein. This is a top from like a workout set, also from Shein. The full outfit is from Shein, to be honest. The jeans, these cargo jeans, also from Shein. And I'm wearing my Campus O's, the Steve Madden bag, and that is it. That's the outfit. 20 minutes. It's 20 minutes to 3. The event starts at 4. But 20 minutes to 3. I'm gonna call her now because we're supposed to meet up before to go take some pictures. So I'll call her now to find out if she's ready so I can go. But I'll see you guys there.
I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you don't know where to be found as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you hiding the hate, I see you looking for someone to scoop you right off your feet. You wanna ride in the rave, you wanna go.
We're here and we're about to channel our inner Picassos and draw up a storm. Piece of a storm.
What to also paint with.
Someone to bring you peace, someone to help you sleep, someone to pick you up when you're feeling down, feeling lonely. Somebody who can make it better, somebody who can open up those gates, open up those gates to your heart. I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song.
go time, people. It's baby time. Let's go. Let's go. Just got to the hospital and we're about to meet the new member of the family. So, how tender. So, let's go.
Look me in the eye so I can see you. Show me what you hide that I can speak to. Don't run away. Tell me where you going, babe. Where you going, babe? Don't run away. Tell me where you going, babe. Where you going, babe? Who are you to come disguised?
Good morning, guys. So I'm just sitting here. I'm about to have amakunya for my breakfast, and then I have some content that I need to shoot that I've been putting off. I also have another hair installation that I need to do, and I just put this wig on, but it's another wig that I need to make a video for. So guni, but I don't think I'm going to be doing that now. Today I'm just going to make the Shein video, and then there's another video for Instagram that I need to do as well. I'm zoning out. I'm zoning out, but let me just eat and have some coffee too. I just started watching this new show. The show is called 911. It's basically like, if you've seen like what's the show on Netflix about the firefighters and stuff. So this is like a mixture of like NCIS and like firefighters. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really good. I'm on the 9th episode and it's pretty good. It's pretty good, but let me just do that. I'll try to like get you guys like a few snippets of the behind the scenes, but let me get to it.
When did I believe in love? Partial love was never good. I'm sick on the inside. Just wanna get right. Don't wanna love line. I got a big fight. Fall down 7 times, stand up 8, 9. Give me the truth right. Give me the truth right now. I need the truth right. Please don't run away. Tell me where you going, babe. Where you going, babe? Don't run away. Tell me where you going. Where you going, babe? Who are you to come disguised? When did I believe in love? Partial love was never good. Never good. Never good. Soften up, you never could. Are you to come disguised? When did I believe in love?
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap. Let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
You had to change up the game.
This is the point where I get up and I go to the bathroom and then I come back and the bill is paid. This is it. And when I come back and I take some sweets.
The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall.
damn, tell me where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that I would be with you for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in. Who killed chivalry? They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we go again. They always say the hottest love has the coldest end.
You had to change